They'll throw a cloud of smoke out.
Okay, here we are today. We're here at Mechanic on the Run.
Yep.
This guy, what's your name?
Chris.
Chris. This is Chris's truck. This is Chris, everybody. Joaquin Aguilar with Fuel Locks. He said he's having some fuel issues. So we're going to put this in his truck. And, oh wow, you got both of those things there.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Now, hold my phone. Okay, so here we are. He has a 30-gallon tank. Okay, 30 gallons. So these are quarter ounce measures. I don't have any fingernails. So we're going to sit there and see if this straightens it out. I have something kind of open that a little bit. So you see we're putting the first. Now remember, these quarter ounces, they treat 20 gallons. So he has a little bit of problem in here. Kind of hard to do with my finger in the way. That's all right though. I'm gonna put a full ounce in here, so that's gonna treat 80 gallons.
All right.
Now this stuff starts treating very quickly.
Okay.
It's like, how you say rum and coke. So it mixes like that very
Very, very fast.
very fast, very well.
All right.
We'll put this back on here like that. You see it has the depth. All right. This is yours to keep.
Okay.
And now we're going to start her up and we're going to see what's going to happen. So they said, they keep telling me it's the proof is in the pudding. So I happen to like pudding. Chocolate, of course, that's my favorite. So if you guys want to send some stuff down to Houston, Texas, the pudding will be great. So I wait for him to get the keys and make sure that she sees a Dodge Ram dually. So it's John Henry, the truck driving man. So we're going to see how well this is going to do. And when he starts it, we're going to have to, then we're going to stop the video. And we're going to see how it goes.
Here. No, all right. You hear that one. That's where this is.
All right, hold on here.